Have you ever experienced the odd feeling where you could swear you'd been somewhere before, or had the same conversation with someone but really didn't? For no apparent reason, you feel like you're reliving a past experience. The sensation is so powerful that some people imagine that they have been there in a previous life. This sudden feeling of familiarity is known as déjà vu, which is a French term that literally means already seen. Despite the fact that it occurs rarely, déjà vu is not an uncommon phenomenon in humans. About 60 to 70% of people experience déjà vu at some point in their lives, and it is most common between the ages of 15 and 25. The fact that déjà vu occurs so randomly, rapidly, and in individuals without a medical condition makes it extremely difficult to study. The simplest explanation is when you have déjà vu, it might not actually be déjà vu at all. The feeling of familiarity could be happening because you've actually had the same experience in the past, but simply don't remember it. Researchers believe that déjà vu is likely a memory phenomenon. It can occur when someone encounters a scenario that's similar to an actual memory, but they fail to recall the memory. Part of the brain that makes us feel familiarity is somehow activated without triggering other areas associated with memory. That could explain why it's so difficult to pin down what feels familiar about the déjà vu. It's usually a vague familiarity, not a specific object or person. Another possibility is that a small seizure occurs in brain regions essential for memory formation and retrieval. For example, when you see your grandmother, spontaneous activity in these regions create an instant feeling of familiarity. With déjà vu, a brief synaptic misfiring might occur in these areas, creating the illusion that the event has occurred before. This is why people with temporal lobe epilepsy often experience déjà vu right before experiencing a seizure. These abnormal electrical discharges may also occur in everyone else, especially people in their teens and 20s, but on a smaller scale. Another theory suggests that it could be some sort of malfunctioning between the long and short-term circuits in the brain, meaning new information may take a shortcut straight to the long-term memory. This skips over the mechanisms the brain normally uses to store information, so it could feel like we are experiencing something from the past. In another study, researchers triggered déjà vu by encouraging false memories in the minds of the study participants. When they looked at the functional MRI scans, they found that it wasn't the parts of the brains related to memory, but instead the part related to decision-making that lit up when they were experiencing déjà vu. This suggests that during déjà vu, we're sifting through our memories, seeing if there's some kind of error. Whatever the reason is for your eerie experiences, it's totally normal if you experience déjà vu a few times a year. You're not being haunted or having a premonition. Bits of your brain are just ever so slightly and briefly putting a memory in the wrong box.